This is just a quick video to show off my new solar system. Solar Universe came out today and installed the panels and did the interconnect. And as you can see, I'm already generating, putting out about 2.2 kilowatts at the moment as it's after 3 o'clock, so probably not getting full sun anymore, but still getting quite a bit. If you watch the bottom of the display, it alternates between showing each of my 2 solar arrays. I have one on the south part of my roof and one on the west part of my roof. Since I'm on time of use billing, that will allow me to generate less all at once, but it'll allow me to generate more throughout the day to offset my peak and part peak usage. So right now I'm generating about 2.2 kilowatts, and I know from the meter inside my house that I'm using about 500 watts. And the display went to sleep. Let me wake it up. Yes, you really do tap it to control it. So I'm probably sending, I'm just going to do the math in my head here. This part of the display, it's showing what I'm sending back to the grid. So yeah, sending about 2 kilowatts back. And this string is, one string is generating about, let's see, about 3 amps at over 300 volts. And the other one is generating 200 volts at around about 5.4 amps. So yeah, my system hasn't been signed off and approved yet, but still generating in the meantime. Hopefully they'll come and approve it soon so I can get time of use net metering.